Welcome to the TaxCare Academy Xero course. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to enhance your skills, you're in the right place. In this course, we'll take you through everything you need to know to become proficient in using Xero for your business or career. What you will learn. Introduction. Get started with a comprehensive introduction to the course, where we'll outline the key features and benefits of Xero. Learn how to sign up for Xero, setting up your account quickly and easily, without any cost. Customization and implementation. Set up your Xero accounting system from scratch, tailored to your business needs. Implement an advanced chart of accounts, ensuring accurate categorization of your financial data. Learn how to generate and effectively use source documents to keep your records organized. Master advanced customization features in Xero to personalize your accounting experience. Banking and control. Perform advanced bank reconciliations to keep your accounts in perfect order. Explore bank rules and automation to streamline your banking processes, saving time and reducing errors. Processing with Xero. Enter business transactions accurately and efficiently using Xero's intuitive interface. Prepare and post complex journal entries, ensuring all your financial activities are recorded correctly. Account for stock valuations, keeping your inventory data precise and up to date. Manage fixed assets in Xero, tracking depreciation and maintaining accurate records. Handle prepayments and accruals, ensuring your financial reports reflect the true financial position of your business. Account for bad and doubtful debts, helping you manage risk and maintain accurate records. Use Xero's credit management features to stay on top of your receivables. Make end-of-period adjustments to finalize your financial reports with confidence. Amend the chart of accounts and generate custom reports that provide valuable insights into your business performance. Reporting. Generate various monthly management reports, giving you a clear view of your business's financial health. Create profit and loss reports in Xero to track your business's performance over time. Generate balance sheet and inventory reports, ensuring comprehensive financial reporting. How you will benefit after completing the course. Gain confidence in managing your business's finances with precision and efficiency. Improve your career prospects by mastering a widely used accounting software. Save time and reduce errors by automating key accounting tasks. Make informed financial decisions using accurate and up-to-date reports. Enhance your ability to handle complex accounting scenarios, giving you an edge in your professional life. We offer 1 to 2 free lessons to give you a head start on mastering Xero. Don't miss this opportunity to begin your journey with us at no cost. By the end of this course, you'll be fully equipped to handle all aspects of your business accounting with confidence. Xero's powerful features will no longer be a mystery. You'll know exactly how to use them to streamline your financial management and drive your business forward. So, are you ready to master Xero? Let's get started on this journey to becoming a Xero expert.